For an authentic Asian dining experience, bring home the best ramen bowls. These are multi-purpose and versatile bowls that can be used to eat noodles, dumplings, soups, udon, Thai curries, soba, fried rice, among others. The recommendations in this guide are based on thorough product and market research by our team of expert product reviewers. So in this video we will discuss 5 best ramen bowl sets. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Tasse Ramen Bowl Set. The stunning porcelain ramen noodles bowls are designed for serving authentic Asian foods. They also have holes on either side to hold the chopsticks. You can use them to eat oatmeal, cereal, pho, and other foods too. A bonus is that they are microwave and dishwasher safe. You can gift this set to your loved ones as they come with a 1-year warranty. The bowl measures 6.5 x 5 x 4.5 inch and has a capacity of 20 ounces. Pros. Comes with bamboo chopsticks and a ceramic spoon, specifically designed to prevent the spoon from falling into it. Slots make it easy to carry your hot noodles or soup from the kitchen to the dining table. Lightweight, strong, durable, lead-free, and non-toxic. Cons. Base may not be wide enough. Broth may spill from the holes designed to hold chopsticks. Number 2. Kimi Cuisine Ramen Bowl Set. This is an elegant and traditional ramen bowl set. You can have udon, pho, soups, and noodles in this large bowl with a capacity of 37 ounces. The bowl is made of food-grade melamine. Melamine is also lighter, which makes carrying food a lot easier in this bowl. The bowl has a chopstick holder, where you can put your chopsticks when not in use. A perfect gift for your friends, coworkers, or family, this bowl set comes with a no-risk, 100% money-back guarantee. Pros. Comes as a set of 2 bowls, 2 ladles, and 2 pairs of chopsticks. Durable. Dishwasher safe. Lightweight. Cons. Not microwave safe. May look flimsy. Number 3. Vallenwood Ramen Bowl Set. The stylish Vallenwood bowl set has 16 pieces that will take your dining experience to the next level. These are strong restaurant-grade melamine bowls built with fine craftsmanship to last longer. The bowl can hold a large portion of food and keep it hot until the last bite. The Japanese ramen bowls weigh 10 ounces, measure 4 by 7.5 inches, and have a capacity of 32 ounces. They come with a manufacturer buyback policy if the customer is not satisfied. Pros. Thick glaze. Durable. Microwave and dishwasher safe. Come with spoons, chopsticks, and a chopsticks holder. Cons. Color may be duller than it appears. Spoons may be too shallow. Number 4. Njcharms Ramen Bowl Set. Ceramic Japanese noodle bowls are conventional and usually handcrafted with thick material, which is durable and restaurant grade. These everyday ramen bowls are large enough to prevent the spillage of soup and ensure that the toppings sit perfectly. Each set comes with spoons and chopsticks that can enhance your dining experience. The bowls measure 9 by 9 by 3/7/8. These bowls have a classic shape with a slightly bigger body and longer foot that give it a stylish look. Pros. Comes in 6 colors. Made from ceramic. Dishwasher safe in the top rack. Can hold 60 fluid ounce. Cons. Ceramic surface may be rough and bumpy. Spoons may be a little small in size for some. Number 5. Yalong Ramen Bowl Set. The blue and white patterned Yalong noodle bowls are made of porcelain. Each bowl is wear-resistant, scratch-resistant, and durable enough for everyday use. They are also dishwasher and microwave safe. These 40 ounces large salad bowls measure 8 inch in diameter, have a flat bottom, and are deep enough to keep the food from spilling. You can stack them easily in your kitchen as they don't occupy much space. The manufacturer also offers a free replacement if the bowls break. Pros. Attractive with different motifs and soothing color combinations. Big enough to serve large portions of food. Lead-free and food-safe. Stackable design. Cons. Color may disappear on serving hot foods in these bowls. May seem small for some. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.